Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Dainty Bud School haka ka khandai tuk la ber ara jar phun riu klar khi ke jinya lenti ka ba apusan snam kinthi jong ka school ban besa yaki umpo le jing start chaki khenna haga jingra khi ke ni sngi kabla long house so tham auditorium shillong la sakhilang dega deputy commissioner jong ka east khasi hills district ka kongrozeta mary korba kabla long kom ka kongsan bat kiwe kibla shakhas ngobha la pinchong kon ni ke ni jingra khi ke jingrwa bat ke jing shat lagi khenna puli jong ka school.
On the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebration of the Dainty Buds School, on my own behalf, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Sir S.P. Mahanta and his entire family, including the principal and the teachers, the parents who were involved in running the affairs of the school for the last 25 years. Congratulations, sir, and to the entire team for achieving this particular milestone which we are celebrating today. And I deem it my joy and my privilege to be a part of this celebration today. Since it's an extempore speech, I do not intend to take much of your time. I just wanted to say one or two points. Number one, under the new education policy 2020, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So under this new education policy, the framework has changed, but at the same time, it is also necessary, which the respected Deputy Commissioner also has hit the nail in emphasizing the point of the necessity to think out of the box. And this new education policy 2020 is all about that. The Bloom's taxonomy, which you all are familiar with, and how that critical thinking part need to be infused in our children. So this is one aspect of the new education policy 2020. And I believe that it is a challenge. Just before I took over as the chairperson of the Meghalaya Lok Ayuktha, I was handling the Meghalaya Board of School Education as the executive chairman. And I could see the difficult challenges which the schools have faced, and in spite of that, you have come up for the last 25 years that you have come up and you are able to bring up the school to this stage. And all I can say at this juncture is I wish you all the best for the next 25 years, for your next Golden Jubilee celebration also. God bless the school, God bless the management, the school children. May they grow up to be responsible and responsible citizens, and who are not a liability, but each one of them will become an asset to the state of Meghalaya and to our country India and to the world at large. With this, thank you for giving me an invitation. God bless each one of you. Thank you.
To make this closing ceremony a grand success, and I am grateful for the parents and the past teachers who were with us, who left us, and some of those well-wishers, some of my friends who also inspired me to open the school. Some of them I miss them, they passed away. Still, these days I keep on remembering them. And a cultural center, without whose help I don't think this could have been possible, since they allowed me to raise their building for opening of their schools. Of course, none of them were present today, and they went to Guwahati for some other functions. So I don't want to spoil valuable time. So it is a merriment time. So I felt that let's continue to watch the cultural cultural activities and hope for the best and in anticipation of future participation of the parents.
As Rabindranath Tagore once said, the true education is not in the mere acquisition of facts, but in the development of the power of thinking, of imagination, and of sympathy. It's very deep, this quote, and I believe that beside the home, the school is where each one of you, each one of us, grow physically, mentally, and also to a great extent it improves our soul. Therefore, it is indeed a place where all the seeds of learning happen, and we thank the teachers as well as the parents, as rightly said by the principal, who've laid their trust on the school administration to be able to come this far. It's not an easy task to run the school, because there you have parents and families from different spheres of life. It's very difficult because I was once a teacher, and I know for a fact that taking care of children's growth mentally and physically is a huge task and a big responsibility. Sometimes we become, as teachers, we become as a second parent to most of the students. The trust that they have on the teachers and on the school is very huge. In this present world, where we spare the rod, I would say spoil the child, but then a system where today the teacher play a very important role to guide the student. It is indeed a matter of concern that there's certain trouble when there's no support forthcoming from the parent side too. So it becomes very difficult. I know you have to handle children from different backgrounds, and to lead the school in such a situation, it is indeed a challenge. Therefore, I once again like to really appreciate the school for coming up and reaching this milestone. We have to understand and remember that there's a difference between literacy and education. Literacy is read and write and mathematics, but education is bigger. It means you're giving a child not only education, but also you have to ensure that you bring up students who are capable citizens in the future. Therefore, you have to look at all-round development to sharpen their skills and prepare them life beyond the textbooks. So this is something which is entrusted to you, and I believe that you're doing a good work. So therefore, I really once again congratulate you. As Albert Einstein reminds us, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. This is where it's a concern that I've seen, especially when I was the director of school education and literacy. We're having issues, except for some schools. There are schools which provoke the mind, and even up to college level, where we ensure the student think out of the box. allow the children to think out of the box. Please do not allow your student to produce what they have been taught exactly to the dots. You give them notes and expect them to produce that. Then what happened is most of the children in our generation, including myself, I don't know about Brian, he might feel differently. We were given notes and we are expected to produce the notes. So the scope of thinking out of the box was not there. Most of us don't want to ask questions for fear of being over smart or, people thinking that, we're trying to show off. But I really appreciate the children today. The children of today, somewhat, they kind of, hopefully, they Google the subject or the chapter which they're going to come to school and try to understand, and it becomes a challenge for the teacher. It's the other way around now. So, anyway, whatever happens, my request is, as an elder, I want the children to think out of the box, and teachers, please help them. I want them to understand the concepts, because the problem that we are facing now, we're not getting, officers, or we're not getting the locals coming up to pass various competitive exam. And the problem we have seen is that we do not understand the concepts. So therefore, I appeal to the school to kindly ensure that the small children, right from class 2 and class 3, don't expect them class 7 to understand everything. Right from the class 2, 3, they have to understand the concept, so that when they reach a higher level, they will sail smoothly. Okay, sir? Kindly. So we can make a difference if only we have and put our attention at the right places. I will use another quote. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Quote unquote, Walt Disney. So you've dreamed big, Shri S.P. Mahanta sir and ma'am. You've dreamed very big, and we are here today to celebrate your dream. Thank you so much for giving me this chance to be with you. And here's to your 25 years of excellence. Many, many congratulations, not only to you, the entire family, but also to all the teachers who've been there and who's still there till today. And to all my dear students, thank you so much. God bless each one of you.
Hey, up, Ruko. Schwaba finchet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up schwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi, pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang, kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala, ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka Ruko, ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kaneka umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka Ruko kakot kakya pat kamariang rukan umktasyo.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming! How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles. केक, डेफिनेटली बलून्स, सब आ गया. वेट अ मिनट, वेयर इज एवरीवन? शो ऑफ.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.